Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a simple and delicious Suji tea time nashta with just a few ingredients. It's soft inside, golden outside, and perfect with a cup of tea. Take 1 cup Suji or semolina in a bowl. 1/3 cup sugar. Now add half teaspoon cardamom powder for a lovely sweet aroma. Mix everything well and keep it aside. Suji, also known as semolina, is commonly used in both sweet and savory recipes. Now take a pan and pour in 2 cups water. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix well and bring the water to a boil. Once it starts boiling, gradually add the prepared suji and sugar mixture. Keep stirring continuously. This helps prevent lumps from forming. Cooking suji in boiling water creates a thick mixture that can easily be shaped once cooled. Continue stirring and cooking until the mixture becomes thick and starts leaving the sides of the pan. Once it reaches this consistency, turn off the heat. Transfer the mixture to a plate and let it cool down completely. When it's cool enough to handle, take a small portion. Shape it in your favorite shape. You can make small, round, oval, or any simple snack shape you like. Now heat oil over medium heat. Carefully place the shaped suji pieces into the oil. Fry them gently, turning occasionally. Continue cooking until they become beautifully golden brown on all sides. Your Suji tea time nashta is ready, golden, lightly crisp on the outside and soft and sweet inside. This is a simple way to make something special from everyday ingredients. Serve it warm with tea and enjoy a relaxing homemade tea time. Share this recipe with someone who loves simple homemade snacks. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes and delicious tea time ideas.